How to use Jira software for beginners, Jira project management tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great video, and in this video we're going to be discussing on how you can use Jira software management for the best project management or PM software out there, or the PMS. So we're going to be discussing it in great depth, so please do make sure to watch this video till the end. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Atlassian.com where they have the Jira issue and project tracking software. So we're going to head over here. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on get it for free. And once you click on get it for free, it's going to redirect you to the whole sign up bit, the whole sign up page. So we're going to take ourselves over there. So here we are. You selected Jira software. Now you can either go with, this stuff. You can also choose the Jira service management, but I'm just going to go with the main Jira software and click on next. Now, once we click on next, what's going to happen is it's going to load us up into this interface. So, trusted by over 65,000 teams worldwide, get started free for up to 10 users. So you can either continue with Google or you can fill out a work email. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a temp mail to, get myself into this, to log myself in easily. But if you want to do this for the long run, I recommend that you use a proper Gmail, okay? So I'm going to go here, I'm going to copy that, paste it here, okay? Now, once that is done, here we go. We're going to click on agree. And once we click on agree, it's going to take us in to this website over here. So we've emailed a verification link to your work email. So please do make sure. So here we are. We're going to verify our email. Okay. Verifying email is pretty simple. Just click on this verify your mail button and there you are. You are good to go from there. Okay. It's going to take you through the whole sign up process. You're going to put in your full name. And once you put in your full name, you're going to create a strong password for yourself. And once that is done, you're just going to click on sign up. Now, once you obviously click on sign up, it's going to bring you here to the whole authorization bit, to the authorization page. And here we are. So welcome back, John, your site. Let's choose a site name. I'm going to call it Electronics Co. I'm just going to call it that. And once that is done, we're going to click on agree. So once we have, properly agreed and everything, we're going to head into our main website. And so let's just wait for it to load up real quick. And here we are. So tell us a bit about yourself. This helps us personalize your experience. So what type of team do you work in? Now you can go with, whatever team you have. I'm going to go with software development. What's your role? You could be the designer, you could be the development manager, anything like this. I'm going to go with software engineer. And then it's going to ask, what are your main tasks? You can go with all of these, to be honest, if you want to. It all depends on whatever type of work you do. I'm going to go with all of these just so you get a blueprint of what's about to come. So once you do that, you're going to click on next and here you go. One moment, your site is starting up. So basically, the answers you gave it to its questions, it's going to basically optimize our website in a certain way. And it's just going to make a good website for us. So let's just wait for it to load us in. And here we are. Now, Jira basically loads us into its main project management software. And I'm just going to wait for it to load me in. And here I am. Help us set up your Jira. So you could be new to, or you could be experienced with Jira. I'm going to go with I'm new to, setting up Jira for my software team. My team is new to Agile methodologies. We spend our time working in, fixing bugs, support operations. I'm going to go with features. We have a tight schedule to finish our week, or flexible. I'm going to go, you could go with any of these. I'm going to go with tight and I'm going to click on next. Okay, now once you're here, it's going to ask us to, create a project, name your project. So I'm just going to go with John. I'm going to call it John. Once I've done that, here it gives us a template. Now, one of the greatest things about Jira is it gives us a Scrum template, which is basically a very good template to start off your software or project management with. So I'm going to go with Scrum. And once you've gone with Scrum, it's going to say select some tools and we'll help you connect them later. Okay. Now, this is obviously for integration purposes, like tools you can create to contact other people. I'm going to skip this for now. I'm not going to get into the whole integration bit, but yeah, you get the point. So once we've done that, obviously it takes us over here. Okay, it brings us over here to the whole Atlassian main site. And this is your basic project management board. Now, this is your main interface. Now to mess around with this interface, let me show you what you can do. To mess around with the interface, first of all, we're going to head down to roadmap. Now, this is your roadmap section. Okay, over here, you can basically see the whole, it's a roadmap, basically. You can see it in months, weeks, quarters. You can see it for today. You can see it for tomorrow. You get the point. So that's what your roadmap does. And then obviously there's your backlog, which is like a backlog of your roadmap. So you can also mess things around over here, see things from this point of view. Now, what you can do more is you can basically, check insights, or you can even create sprints. Now, you're probably wondering what sprint is. Sprint is, as a team, agree on what work needs to be completed and drag these issues to the sprint. So basically, this is like a planning board in a way. And then you have your active sprints. So basically, you can, again, create a sprint by going onto, backlog over here. And once you're in your backlog, you're just going to start a sprint. So here you have it, create a sprint. And once you go and create a sprint, you can plan a sprint, by getting issues or people. And then you obviously have the issues section where you can, put in your issues for your team or stuff like that. Then what you can do is you can also use all these different features, you have all different dashboards. So if you go and view all dashboards, you can also create different dashboards for different types of work schemes or stuff like that. And you can also invite people or create a team on your Jira, which is also a pretty good feature to have. And then here's the app section. Okay, now in the app section, basically this is Circle CI, where you can see issues progress at a glance by adding build plus deploy status from Circle CI to Jira. Then there's Figma, where you can stay on track with live Figma embeds in Jira. And then there's obviously Slack, where you can connect Jira projects to your Slack channel so the whole team has one conversation. And obviously there's tons of other apps that you can mess around with and just make your life much easier when it comes to doing the whole project analysis and stuff like that. Then obviously you have your settings, and you can mess around with the different aspects of your setting as well. You can put in your billing, you can do the user management, give someone an administration tool, or take their permissions from them. It all depends on whatever or however you run your business. And after that, that's pretty much it. So obviously then there's a whole work management aspect. All you're going to do is you're going to shift it over to your projects. And once you're in your projects, you're again just go and create project. And once you go and create project over here, the same way as I told you, just name it. And from there on out, you're going to create a new project. So yeah, basically this is how you can use Jira's, Scrum and work management templates along with your businesses. It's pretty easy stuff and pretty great stuff to run your business. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.